I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely Monet and I'm back here with another video. And in this video, we're going to be doing knotless box braids hairstyles. Because you know, I'm so tired of just wearing the ponytail and I'm just so tired of wearing it down. So I just want to try something new. And I want you guys to come along with me and try out these hairstyles. These hairstyles I found on Pinterest and I also found on Google. So I've been researching, looking really hard, trying not to find the same old boring hairstyles that everybody else been wearing. Oops, sorry, but don't mean it like that, but just some different hairstyles instead of the same hairstyles. I just want to find something just, you know, sexy, something just chill, relax, nothing out of the ordinary. So you guys, I'm just going to do these hairstyles, and some of them I might do within the video, and some I might just come on here and just show you.
I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. Not gonna make no sense. This is urgent. Trying to make some similar change. Got me on war in my mind. Let it go away. Think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me.
Pink is a color, blue is another. I'm a bottom all lower bad motherfucker. I don't take no shit from bald head bitches like.
I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, but first to bed alone night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill.
Oh, I cannot be great. Okay, you guys, this is the hairstyle right here. It's supposed to be like, I don't know if you can tell, like swoop to one side. And it's not giving. It's gonna stay in place. But anyways, I guess maybe I'm not doing it right. Maybe like this. Yeah, something like this. Like swoop to one side. Let me sit up. Like, yeah, swoop to one side. Whatever. And then the rest of it's up, pulled up into a ponytail, into like a little bun or whatnot. But I think the girl, I don't know, she had it like this, like on this side maybe in her picture. All right, you can tell. Sorry you guys, but swoop to like one side. Then it's up in this little dookie ball or whatever, and the hair is like sticking out like crazy, but I don't have all that, but I'm trying to give y'all a good angle. Oops.
I was average when you really don't play.
Giving. Yeah. It's giving. But yeah, this is it or whatever. You can wear it on either side, whatever side you prefer. I prefer this side. I think this side look better. This is my better side of my face anyway.
But we all very insane. I know that was not the same. Yeah, how you gonna go away? Go away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Frontin' like you know. Yeah, got me going. Only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied.
Okay, you guys, this is the second hairstyle. I thought these hairstyles would be given, but they're really not given. I don't know, because I don't get as many braids as the other hairstyles do, but this is it. I like it. It's sexy, plain and simple. So like kind of half up, half down, with some hair in the front and down. So basically, this is what you're getting, like some hair down, especially if you got a big head like me. This is wonderful. Cover up your head some, but this house look pretty, like it's nice and simple. guys. Like, it's supposed to have been like 2 donuts, which I really can't see it, but like I want it to be like 2 knot buns, but for some artists I can't do the knot bun on myself, but I can do it like on my daughters or whatever, but I can't do it on me. But like with like a little swoop or whatnot, so 2 knot buns with like a little swoop. That was the idea I was going for. This is something like sleek, not too much, but yeah, this is it. And do I love it? No, but yeah. But of course, like I said, I'm going to insert the pictures of the hairstyle that I was trying to do. Of course, this hairstyle is like, they didn't have knotless braids, they just had their regular hair done. But of course, I want to tempt it on my knotless braids, but which I still think is pretty. It's up, it's not down, it's up out of my face or whatever. And of course, it's coming up some of my forehead, which is what I love. So it'll give.
Rep the set, gotta rep the set. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast her with the game. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof. So ain't compromising, $500,000 on the proof. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue.
Okay, you guys, this is another hairstyle. Don't know what number this is, I lost count, but 4 or 5. But it's a plait. I want to say what a plait on. I'll show you the hairstyle I got it from, but it's supposed to be like a okay, you guys, this right here is supposed to be a butterfly braid. The hairstyles that I was attempting was really unrealistic, but I was just trying to try something new other than me wearing my hair down. But obviously, you guys, I honestly got frustrated within the video, but I just kept it going because you never know what your finished product could turn out to be. And like I said, all the hairstyles end up growing on me, and I end up eventually liking them. So I wanted to do this so right here to let you know, express how I feel, and plus I had music playing in the background, so I didn't want to get any copyright for the music in my video. Okay, you guys, this is another hairstyle. It's just a quick pony and a back. Of course, you can't get enough of the ponies, and a swoop, just some braids that I swooped around and just wrapped around my ponytail. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I just wrapped it around there. Okay, you guys, this is the final hairstyle, which is a braid across the top. And my daughter just actually did this for me. I tried to record, but my phone storage was saying I didn't have enough to keep recording, so I had to delete some more stuff. But this is the final hairstyle. I'll put a little clip in of her doing it. But these are all the hairstyles that I could find after so much research and so much Googling. Maybe I'll do a part 2 video, you guys, if you guys like this video. Honestly, I feel like this video was a failure, but I'm gonna keep on going, keep on thriving, and hopefully you guys like it. So if you do, please comment, like, and subscribe. But of course, I do love it. I love it. Yeah, put some, like, pull it to the back or something. It's so pretty. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, I made it through this video. It took me hours. Why? I have no idea. They were simple, easy hairstyles. I feel like I was just putting too much into it, but sorry, you guys, I had come to it, and I will catch you next week for hopefully a new video. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos.